Hello guys, this is Donzia. Welcome to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be giving you an information, a step-by-step guide on how you can become an NIMC agent, whether you have a device or not. As you all know that on this channel, I do give you guys information about your NIN issue and all that. So as you can see here, I've already uploaded a video on this topic before, but according to the question I do get via my email and everything, that's why I decided to make a full documentary on how you can become an NIN agent, the device you can use, and how, if you have not gotten the device already, how you can be doing small job remotely for people, and maybe you can now link up with people doing NIN, and then you start being a middleman agent. If this video is one of the video that you are going to like, please watch it to the end, subscribe to my channel, comment and share as we dive into the video.
As you can see right here, here's a chat from one of my clients that I did NIN slip retrieval for. Someone referred me to this person that I'll be able to deliver his job, and I did it perfectly and collected my fee without even knowing who my referral was because he never mentioned. This is just a proof to show you that I know what I'm doing, and the information I'm giving you guys here is legit and accurate, as I'm a living witness myself. As you can see here that the client went further to inquire about NIN modification services, which I told my client that I do all NIN services related job, and went further to show the client my job flyer. We negotiated and he gave me the job after giving the client my best price. All this communication was done without knowing or seeing my client physically, and mind you, most of my job are done remotely. Meaning I don't have to see my client physically if the location of my client isn't at my current state or if he's an abroad-based client. I've been doing this job since 2022, and with each year passing by, lots of people that I've done job with before do refer new clients to me, and then some just watch my YouTube video and connect with me via my email requesting for my services.
Now, this device that you are looking up at your screen, it is what we call the technocrat device, or as you usually call it, combo device. It can only be used for NIN registration and personalization. It can't be used for NIN modification at all. The only thing that can be used for is either adult enrollment or child enrollment NIN registration, and it can be used to do non-appearance registration. It can only be used for physical registration only. As you are seeing this device, it can be used alone. If you want to get it, you will need to get it with license and VPN, so before you can use it. There are two types of device that can be used for NIN registration. This is the combo device, the first one and the cheapest one, most movable of all the device. And then this is the window device. This window device can be used to do NIN registration for non-appearance, modification of NIN, change your date of birth, name, anything you want to do on NIN. These are the type of devices that are usually located at NIMC office. These are the window device that they use in NIN office or standard NIMC center. It is used by authorized NIN agent too, that they have their license. So both of these devices can actually be purchased with license, following the due protocol, following the right source, the right channel to get this device. Okay, now please note that I'm not selling this device. I'm not a seller, but I can get it for you through my source with my connection. I know people that are selling it, and I can get it for you, whether it is combo device, license, or tagging issue, or whether it is the window device that you want with license and scanner and everything. Both can be purchased. And mind you, please have it at the back of your mind that at NIMC Center, they are not accepting new agent again because they are not giving out license to new agent. It is only those old agents that are already in the business that are selling out their license, or thereby giving you an access to their own license and VPN in which you can use to perform your own NIMC operation too. So please don't be scammed. The purpose of this video is for only those who are actually interested in being an NIMC agent. Now, this is all about the device. Please know that you don't have to wait till you get either the combo device or the window device before you can start being an agent yourself. You can just start from somewhere, e.g. from slip retriever to collecting jobs from people that want to do modification. Then you be a middleman and look for somebody that is doing the job already, that you can partner with, that you will be given the submitted job to the person, and the person will do the job for you, in which you will now collect the job from the person and submit it to your own client that give you the job. You are going to collect your fee, your share out of the fee, so it can act as a middleman. So let's assume you want to start from somewhere and you don't know how to start, because this device, they are costly. The combo device, to get the combo device with license, new combo device, is not entirely new. It's not entirely new device you are getting. It is used. Okay, to get the used device without license, you spend up to 700,000 naira to 800,000 naira. Now with license, you are going to be spending almost close to 1 million naira plus, because as the dollar is rising, things are getting more costlier. Shey you understand? So now, to now get the window device, you will need a shop, standard shop, get all the necessary equipment like scanner, external webcam camera that can be used to take photo for your client. Then you will get signature pad, you will get laptop, which is your window, your PC. And meanwhile, have it at the back of your mind that it is not every system, Windows, that can be used for this NIN business, because the NIN application itself, the NIN software itself that is going to be installed on your window. Let's assume you have a PC system that you want to use for this business. Okay, and you want to verify if your system can perform the operation, can be able to withstand the software application. So we have to verify your system first. Look at the specialization of your system. There are some criteria that is needed, like storage. Storage is very an essential something that is needed in the system, like 1 terabyte and above. That's it. So aside the storage, your system specification will be checked for you. And then if it can be used to perform the NIMC service, then the NIMC software will be installed on your system. Once it's installed, everything will be shown to you how you can use it. The webcam will be installed, the signature pad, the scanner, and everything will be attached to the system, will be connected, and then you start doing your job. That's for you that you have the system that you want to use. But if you don't have the system already and just want to start from somewhere, I will advise you go for the Technocrat device, which is the combo device. Go for it. It's very movable, and it is an Android device in which you don't need anything. The only thing that is needed is your license and the tagging. Once you have got a license and it has been tagged, you can use it anywhere. It is movable. Just know that you won't be able to perform modification, but NIN registration you'll be able to do it. Personalization you'll be able to do it, and the basic child enrollment or adult enrollment you'll be able to do it, because it is a device that have an inbuilt scanner follow it come, so you don't have to stress yourself about getting any external devices to use that technocrat device, which is the combo device. But if you are the one that want to be well furnished, well standard, that want to be performing all NIMC related service, all NIM related service, you will need to get a system, which is the window device. A license will be installed. You will get all the required peripherals for the system. You may need a shop, and then you are in business. You'll be able to perform the operation too. So if you are someone that can't do both, the easiest you can start from is being a slip retriever. That one is not costly at all. You just have the necessary platform that you can use to access to get your client slip. You remit it to them and you collect your money. Please beware. There is no site for modification. There is no site for NIN registration. There is no site for NIN data changes. There is no site for NIN registration or modification or changing of address. The only site that is available to carry out all this operation, to carry out all this NIN modification, is the NIMC self portal. You can only do correction of data on that site. You can't register new NIN there. So I believe with this little information of mine, I'm able to guide you if you are someone that is interested in being an agent, the requirements that is needed on how you can be an agent. Don't worry, if you don't get it, you can just chat me up via my email, donziaforyou@gmail.com. You can check the description or about my channel below to see my email address. Contact me there, ask anything, I reply to your email. So see you in my next video, and I wish you peace and good of luck. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the share button. Peace out.